Hello Professor, my name is Abdullah Kamaluddinov and in this video I will show how I complete the sixth assignment. So, in this assignment we will learn how we can view the running processes in our Ubuntu virtual machine. Also we will learn how to monitor system performance, how to kill specific processes, and also how we can install and use interactive processes viewer. Well, we will learn is it available on our system or not. So let's start. First step we need to do is to view running processes. For that we just need to use command ps-aux. So we open our terminal already. So ps means that process status, and also aux it's some kind of symbol which means that a shows all processes for all users, U displays user related details, for example CPU usage, memory usage, and etc. And also X includes all processes that are not connected to the terminal. So let's enter, and it shows all current processes. It shows like user, root, system md plus, and also our user processes. So they are all connected to the system. Now, the next step is to monitor system performance. So we can see how much percentage of CPU, of memory usage each process uses. So in order to monitor the system performance, we just need to write the simple command top. And here it is. We see that these system processes, for example, Abdullah Plus with his process ID uses currently 3% of CPU and memory percentage of 7.5% of memory usage. So we can easily monitor the processes that are currently running in Ubuntu virtual machine. In order to quiet it, we need to click on the Q on your keyboard. That's it. So, and that was the step 2. The step 3 is killing process. We need to kill specific process using the command kill with the process ID, which shortly written as PID. Because like we need to write the concrete number of the process. For example, we can just write the kill PID. If we write it, it will show mistake, error, because we need to write concrete number of it. So, and in order to write the concrete number, we need to write again ps-aux, and also it shows us the processes. And here it is, the number of the processes ID. But we currently see we only see the system processes, so we can't kill them because it can harm our system. So what can we do? We can open, for example, Firefox browser, open YouTube. So yeah, now currently it's open, so we can just to open our terminal and write specific command ps-aux, then this sign, and also we need to write grep Firefox. So this command means that it will search for all processes that are running in our system which are related with Firefox. We enter, and as we can see, it shows the current processes. So let's make the window larger. So yeah, it shows the current process, and PID process ID of this process is 2421. So let's write it. We can write 21. So let's make the window smaller. So yeah, as we can see, currently we see that the window of Firefox is open. But if we write this command kill and the ID number of process, the window instantly closed. So it means that we successfully killed the process. So that was the step 3, killing process. And the last step is step 4, using htop. So we need to install and use htop for interactive process viewer, but if it's only available on our system. So in order to know about it, we need to write this command. So let's write it. So let's open our terminal, and we need to write sudo apt get install, and also we need to write double htop. So it asks us the password for our installing this htop. So I'm sorry, professor, for stopping the video, but there's happened some mistake which says that the dpkg was interrupted, and I should also manually run the dpkg configure. So I wrote this command and it's successfully installed. So now we can now install our htop. So yes, I want to continue. So it's installing everything. We just need to wait. And yes, so it installed successfully everything. In order to run it, we need to write htop. And here it is. We can view all our specific interactive processes easily. So htop is an interactive process manager. It's kind of like improved version of top. Like, for example, if we type top, we could only see some details about processes, but here we see all details of processes that are currently running in our system. So that was the end of all steps of the assignment. So in reflection, I want to answer these questions. So in this assignment, we'll learn that monitoring processes really help optimizing system performance, because monitoring processes allows us to identify resource-intensive applications, for example, high CPU or memory usage. It also helps us to detect some kind of like zombie processes, and also helps us to prevent system slowdowns by managing background processes. And also, like answering to the question, what are the implications of terminating process incorrectly? So there are some like bad conditions, like bad implications of terminating process incorrectly. For example, system can crash because killing essential system processes, as I mentioned before, can cause crashes of system. And also because of that, user can lose some important data, and also it can cause unstable behavior and security risks, which can crash the whole system of Ubuntu. So that is the end of this assignment. Thank you, professor, for watching this video.